hey, I'm so cupcake. Leonard, send out the cavalry. Get on elite numbers as they can. Attack them, I say. Yeah, that was disappointing.
Peter, I can't believe this is happening. How did they get so close so quick? Well, you see, it's had one of our reinforcement trucks, so they kept on destroying all these bases very quickly, and now they're right up to here in the middle of Southern Russia. Wait, whoa. Southern Russia? Southern Russia? Yes, I think Southern Russia. It's a black borderline. Ridiculous but true. I don't get why they made it, but it is. We're in the middle of the war. Hey, Mortarman!
Yes.
Do you have any suggestions?
Well, we could say we can do a peace treaty and tell them to bring one of their guys over. And as soon as we get that guy over, I'll shoot this sand pile at them so you can finish that person off.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Hey, over there!
What?
Did one of your representatives come over here?
Why do we need to do that?
Peace treaty.
Okay. Who's gonna let us make our mind up?
Hey, Beaver, this is gonna be the best plan ever. We're going to take them down, and then we do that, we're going to win the war and get the other $2 bill.
The drops in sandboxes are the best in the world. Hey, Budface! I'm not a Budface, I'm a Christmas dog. Well, guess what? Take this! Oh my gosh! My eyes! My God! Leonard! I'm gonna fire! Fire! Leonard! More to go!
Oh my gosh, they just killed one of our men! Get the murder!
Leonard! What's going on? Why is he down? Leonard, what is going on? Leonard, I just got...
He's bad. We need to call the reinforcements.
Beaver!
How are we gonna call reinforcements? Easy, right here. Da 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 da.
Beaver! Hey, this is Ace. Hey, what's that noise up there? What's that noise?
Fast! Hey, Fast! What's that noise? What's going on? We're the reinforcements.
I don't think you are.
No, we are definitely reinforcements.
Seriously? You just
Yes.
fall out of the sky?
Yes, we do.
Beaver, what are your names?
My name is Easter Bunny Jr. This is Easter Bunny Jr. And the guy who was in the blotter of was Easter Bunny Jr.
It did not feel good at all. Anyway, you said you needed reinforcements, so we're the reinforcements. Beaver, I need to talk to you. Private meeting, please. Everybody, start shooting them. I don't need any more survivors after all the wars we've been through. Finish them off! Okay. So Prez, what are we protecting today? Protecting? The only thing we're protecting is that $2 bill over there. Hello? Shut up! You're not supposed to be talking. You're a $2 bill.
Actually, I think Reset mutated into some kind of weirdo or some kind of blood sample or something. I don't know. He's a mad scientist.
Dang it, I'm gonna go looking for him after this. I'm gonna start telling him to stop mutating my dollar bills. Hello! Hola, ¿cómo está? Okay, yeah, he definitely needs to have a $2. He definitely needs to redeem. We need to take the enemies down, but how? They're so invincible.
I have an idea.
How?
My idea is why not we all just shoot Why not? We just make all of our machine guns mortars.
You know that's impossible, right?
Fine, we'll go with it, Rosie.
Fresh, can't we just do like a thing where we drop watermelons on them?
Oh, come on! But Rosie's the biggest and best dog you could get. She acts, you remember the Apocalypse War, remember that?
Yeah. Okay, fine.
She was the greatest. Should we contact her?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to contact her.
What do they think they're doing with... What do they think they're doing over there?
I don't know. Maybe it's something to do with summoning their guardian.
Nah, I don't think it is. I think they're just a bunch of wimps and wimps.
Why do you think they're wimps?
Because we already killed 3 of their men, though they only killed 1 of our men. So, technically, 1 died.
Hey, Mango, stop talking like you own the place. You're demoted now, thanks to you losing all the wars. The what?
The Rosebud!
Hello.
I'm gonna go attack him now.
I don't.
How is this Beaver? How is this supposed to help us? This thing is an only giant piece of meat.
Oh my goodness!
What the heck is that? Squishy, I think it was the rosebud. Who knows what it was? But at least we won. Send over a scout so we can see what's going on over there.
Oh, come on! Why is it always me? Fine. Why does it always have to be me after all of these times? Hey, Bob. Hi. Hey, Mr. Bunny Jr. Thanks. Why am I always the one who has to go and do the job? Do their dirty work?
Cupcake, this feels like horrible. Oh my God, I never heard of this. And I thought I was a big dog.
You know what? I'm gonna go take what's roughly mine. That's just mine. You stole it from preschool.
What?
You stole that from when I was kindergarten. You stole this when I was 2 days ago. And I'm just taking this otherwise.
Oh, come on! That's my toilet paper. It's from direct France.
Who cares?
Dang
Okay. Hey, take my toilet paper that they took from me yesterday. Anyway, let's see what else they. Let's go to the weird looking thing where I just go float up in the air.
How can he do that? He's not floating.
Yes, I am. How come I can? If you're we're little weirdos. Oh, I guess this is why they hired me as scout.
By the way, I forgot to tell you this, but the Rosebud, yeah, she's my cousin.
Oh, is she your cousin?
Have you ever heard of growth hormones?
I would not like to. Anyway, I think we should end the video here.
And by the way, thanks for watching. The dog was appreciated by the family. And this is Rosebud. She is the one-of-a-kind dog.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're paying attention, I hope you were. $2 bill. Straight up $2 bill.
Hi.
Isn't it nice?
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Shut up! These things are very hard to find, so don't ask me why. It just took forever. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want another video, just click right here. Just like you see that $1 bill? It's gonna be right there. Okay, bye.
Bye.